bit by brick assembling your wall of postgrad subs. Yeah. I do think getting people while they're doing their masters and before they've hit their post-qualification depression, you've got them hooked while they're in an excitable time in their life, but just as they're about to fall into a 2-year depression, at which point they'll have the Twitch app on their phone, and there we go, they're hooked, they're in. You don't need to say you're 25 years old, Bungle Clungus. Your username is Bungle Clungus. Where's the Queen? This hurts. If you can't handle my cursor hovering over central London saying, where's the Queen? Then this stream is going to be too harmful to you.
Could have died back there instead of those guys. Thanks, pal.
Okay, doing that guy's voice. Doing that guy's voice has given me quite severe hiccups. I just tuned in and genuinely forgot this wasn't in-game voice work. Thanks, up. Have you heard about the hiccup cure about drinking from the wrong end of the glass? So rather than this, we're going to take our mouth and we're going to bring it here, okay? The problem is, here's where it gets hard. How do you get the water into your mouth now? Because it's down here, but your mouth is up here. All right, anyway.
At least I won't have to die alone in the dirt. Okay.
This is too hard. Blueprints. Come on.